Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're having issues with Cash App not working. You might be getting error messages saying that to please try again later. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. First thing I would suggest doing would just be to give it some time. Sometimes there might just be technical issues going on behind the scenes. However, if you come back hours or days later and you still have a problem, you can go ahead and swipe up on your home screen and select Settings, select the Apps tile, and then you will select where it says See All Apps, and then go down to where it says Cash App in here, select that, and select where it says Storage and Cache, select where it says Clear Cache, and then relaunch the Cash App application so you've about resolve the problem. If not, you may have to come back in here and select Clear Storage, deleting the app data, and then it would basically reset the app, have to sign back in, and that would hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.